Okay.
Did I get it? I got it. Look. All right. Got us a fish.
Gotta wash your hands.
Just barely.
Scrubbing what?
Ouch.
Be on your way.
Little itty bitty. We'll take it. Thanks, buddy. I figured I was going to get something.
Cried.
Yeah, Margaret cried. I figured I was. I mean.
Next time.
Yeah, but I'm not going to.
When?
So that was 20 minutes and one fish. This back area is really sandy. It's just not quite what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna go find some rocks, see if we can't find something there. Oh, dang it. Man, I cannot believe that. There we go. Oh, stay on, stay on, stay on. Yes, sir. Got us a good fish. Golly, man. You guys got me looking everywhere. That's two. I mean, it's a pound-ish and everything, but that's cool. We'll take it. Send them on back. Thank you. Okay. There we go. Old chatterbait coming through for us. Okay. Tiny limit. Tiny limit. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Good. Well, this little pocket's been good to us. There we go. Another little 1.5. I think that was a
59 seconds remaining.
Well, I'll get you some more time. Oh, dang it, he threw it.
Oh. Mikey is calling with his cell phone.
Okay.
Look,
What do you say?
he's in the pool with Hutch chocolate.
Oh, got a good one. Ooh, okay, it's a good fish.
Dicey.
Yes! Oh.
Mikey.
Oh, we gotta weigh that one. Look at that. That's 2 pounds. Gorgeous fish. I hate it when I do that. Yeah, look at that. On a scale. I don't see it anywhere. It feels like a solid 2 pounds, man. But I wish I had a scale to verify. But, oh well. All right, awesome fish. That was great. Figured we ought to get something. Man, spring will just make you feel like the best fisherman. Not that good, but still fun. Oh, I mean, I hit it. Okay. There we go. Little guy. About a pound.
Oh no!
I can't believe. I don't. Where is it? Oh my gosh. Yes, another about 2 pounder. Oh, I think they just needed a bigger target, man. Just, gosh. That was awesome. Well, no, it's maybe slightly less than 2 pounds. Okay. That was nuts! Came out of nowhere. Oh gosh. Poor buddy. Kai, look out for the fish. Goodness. Golly, poor buddy. That was cool though. Stop. All right, well that was a fun little trip. Got probably 6 or 7 fish. Just a bunch of different techniques, mostly crankbait and chatterbait. But we have a cold front coming in tomorrow, so I figured with all the rain that's going to bring, I would get out and fish tonight. So mission accomplished, had a lot of fun. Time for some ice cream and bed. Thank you all so much for watching. We're going to catch you on the next one. Bye now.